We talked about a little bit about the downside, the ugly side. Mm-hmm. At the height of your success, right? You're on top. You got Nightmares popping. You know, you got Dana Dane with Fame. All that stuff coming out. You're running with Slick Rick in the videos, and I saw you with the trench on, with the rectangle on. True indeed. What was your favorite part? Like the moment where you go, you know what, I made it.
The favorite part, I tell the story all the time because it's my favorite story, you know, and I probably forgot so many stories because I just like to tell this one.
Okay, all good.
And the respect and blessing the ecstasy of Whodini, man. So it's 1986. Nightmares is out now for some months. I think it's the Fresh Fest tour, one of the tours, I can't remember, but it's the Beastie Boys, LL, Run DMC, and Whodini. LL Cool J is opening, I think. So I go backstage, and I still remember I had on a fur coat. Because I was pimping now. I was out of the projects, and I got a fur coat. Nobody ain't got no fur coat. So thing,
I still never owned a fur coat.
You know, so it was a Fox, too. It wasn't even an expensive one, but I thought it was at the time.
Right.
It was lovely at that time.
The audience didn't know.
That's right. I didn't know. It was lovely at that time. Anyway, so I go to Madison Square Garden backstage.
Yeah.
And the first time I run into is Grandmaster D. And Grandmaster D showed me love. Now, this is Whodini. Now, mind you, I'm working at McDonald's in 1983, 84 as I graduated out of high school.
Okay.
And all they play every morning as I'm unpacking these burgers and unloading the truck
Friends.
and exactly, or Freaks Come Out at Night, you know, one of the joints, right?
Yeah.
But one of those two. Even Escape, maybe come on.
Yeah, right.
So now I'm with Grandmaster D. And he's giving me love. Nightmares, that's my joint. I spin that when it blah, blah, blah.
Wow.
Word,
Yeah.
And so now he's like, come on, man. I'm going to introduce you to the group. He don't know that Whodini's my favorite group already. This is my favorite group of all time. Already. I just got in, but I knew I wanted to be Whodini before I got into the game. This
Right,
like,
so you were hype.
Yes, but I wasn't, because I was like.
You kind of,
I'm from Brooklyn.
You
I'm
toned
like,
it down,
hey,
like, yo.
But I'm like, and I'm like, cool, man. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm giving it love, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But I ain't crazy, but, so he takes me in the back, and he walks me in the room, and they got girls in there, of course, it's Whodini, and they got the bad chicks, you know. I'm like, dang, where they get those type of chicks from? You know what I mean?
Right.
Like basketball players.
Next level word.
Next level chicks, you know?
Yeah.
Not your normal groupies, not to me. But I'm doing the game. But with that said, so I go in the room, and they turn around, and Grandmaster said, yo, Ja, this is Dana Dane. He's like, oh, okay. Nightmares, yeah. We like that joint, man. Good deal. Cool. And they just turn around.
Damn. That's a
But
cold
you know, back in
game.
the day, let me tell you something about.
They were more focused on the skins, I think.
Nah. It wasn't even that. It's back in the days when you came into hip hop, it was like coming into the NBA.
Yeah.
You were a water boy. You were a bag carrier. You're a rookie. When you come in, I don't care how big you think you are.
You washing somebody's underwear.
Basically, you carrying the bag.
Yeah.
You know, basically, and you know, not so much as carrying the bag, but you respecting.
Yes.
The hierarchy of
Right.
who came in
Absolutely.
and the work they put in.
Yes.
So it's not like they gonna come in and be like, you the fucking man. You know what I mean? So they came in like, yeah, we see you, but. Chill, shorty. Get your game up.
Oh wow!
But it's love though.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Melly Mel was like that. All the cats. Run DMC was like that. But the DJs was always cool. Jam Master Jay always showed me love.
Is that right? I've never met Jay.
Jay is the best ever. Jay's one of the best ever. Grandmaster D, Jam Master Jay, they took me in real easy. Like, yo, I think that's just their nature though.
That's crazy because on the West Coast, as we're watching all you guys at that time, we were thinking, man, they must all know each other and get along fantastic.
No, we got along, but it was
even closer than that. Like, they must all know each other. Brooklyn's in the house, and we're listening to these records. Brooklyn's in the house. We're like, whoa, that's crazy. They must all know each other. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it wasn't like that. Cats stayed in their pocket of people that they knew or didn't know, and then
Okay.
sometimes they went outside of that. It just depended. But it depends on who you were. I guess me, I kind of vibe with everybody, but stayed away from everybody at the same time. If that made any sense coming up.